Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's case takes an interesting turn, not because of the defendant's actions, but because the court dropped the ball. His previous attorney withdrew from the case, and for whatever reason, a new one hasn't been appointed, despite this issue being raised weeks ago. No attorney means no pretrial, and the judge is seething. Let's watch as she takes the system to task and works to get things back on track.
All right, the court will call the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyrell Henderson, case number 24S00045.
Richard McDuffie for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender.
Good morning, Mr. Mansour.
Good morning.
Mr. Henderson, could you state your name for us, please?
Tyrell Henderson, Your Honor.
Oh, Mr. Mansour, I'm not going to take this out on you, but I am not happy. Not your fault, but I don't understand how we could be here on August 15th when we know that there's a conflict. We have a trial. I order that costs are assessed in this case, and the conflict doesn't come in until the morning of the pretrial that has been set. A whole month later. Not only that, but it was mentioned again during another court docket because we were concerned that it hadn't come in, and I was assured by, not you because you weren't here, I believe, I don't remember exactly who it was, but I'm sure Ms. McDuffie may have written it down because she does that kind of thing.
It was Ms. White. I reminded her.
Ms. White assured me that this would be done by finally. We have an individual who's sitting in custody waiting because of this, or is he being held on anything else?
He is being held on another matter, Your Honor.
Thank goodness. Not that thank goodness you are, but thank goodness this is the only thing. Because this is I don't understand this. I don't understand how one simple thing, just getting a new attorney appointed, can't be handled. I don't understand that. Not at you, Mr. Mansour, just in general. This makes absolutely no sense. It only requires letting one person know that we need to have an attorney appointed.
Your Honor, I do want to thank Mr. Mansour because he reached out to me not having any of this history, which is also sort of concerning.
I think you're frozen. Definitely frozen. Ms. Moeller, is there something you wanted to say, or I see you popped on?
No, not really, Your Honor. Just that we caught this last night. I don't know either why the conflict email wasn't sent. Like you said, it's a very straightforward process. It should be a speedy process. So I know Mr. Mansour did everything he could when he noticed to try to address it, but I hope it doesn't come up again.
Mr. Mansour always does. That's why I said this is not about Mr. Mansour, but you know, the reality is we have an individual who is Ms. McDuffie, you froze, so we didn't hear all of it.
I'm so sorry. I got kicked out of Zoom. But I was just saying that he reached out because he's not having any of the background on this case. And that was just yesterday evening, very late yesterday evening. And it looks like we got that email within an hour, which shows just how easy it was. So I just wanted to thank him for following up immediately. And we got that. Obviously, Ms. Julian, who was appointed, is not going to be able to appear today on this matter. We'll make sure she gets everything. But that just shows how easy it was. But I thank him for jumping on that right away.
Good morning, Mr. Henderson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Is there anything you'd like to say, sir?
No.
So your new attorney is going to be Miss Erica Julian. That's who got appointed for you this morning. Okay. So she'll come and see you. I'm going to put it over for 1 week to next week. Okay. And hopefully we can move forward with your matter. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Court date will be on October 3rd at 9 o'clock a.m.
A judge directing their frustration at the legal process instead of a defendant isn't something you see every day. Even with other matters keeping him in custody, she got him what he needed. It made it clear she wouldn't tolerate these kinds of delays again. What do you think? Was she right to call out the inefficiencies? Or is this just how the system works? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.